Hello friends, today I show you how to top up your home country mobile number, your family or friends. This app is very interesting, so okay, let's see. First you open Play Store and download Singtel Dash. Singtel Dash you download. I already have download, just I showed you just demo. When download ready, you open singtel dash. So you can see my dash open ready. Scroll down, you can see here have option more. Just click more. Okay friends, so click more. Now you see prepaid. Click to prepaid. So when you click prepaid, then this interface open ready. Click here. So here you can see all country. Also you can see downside your country, all mobile company name. All this mobile company provider you can top up. You can top up Singapore local, also Bangladesh, China, India, Indonesia, Malaysia, Myanmar, Philippines, Thailand, Vietnam. All country you can top up mobile number, your family and friends. So when you top up, automatically money cutting your singtel dash balance. So this one very easy I think, because sometime we want to top up our home country friend or family members, so this feature very nice. I select country ready India. So now select number. Okay friends, now click here. When you click here, your contact list open ready. So just you click which contact you want top up and select your number. Friends, when you select ready your contact number, then like this interface open ready. So first have airtime, then second have data. When you click airtime, this meaning normal main balance, and all top up, which one your country mobile company provider have top up, this all top up you can see. Just click and select top up. When you select top up, you can see in front your country money and behind have Singapore dollar, how much you pay for this top up. So next can see the data. You can see all data plan. In front have how many GB or MB you get, and last have how much you pay. So anyone you select. If you want to only airtime, meaning main balance, just click to airtime, or if you want data, just click to data. Very simple and easy. Can you top up your friend and family member? I select this one. So when you select ready your which one top up you want, just simply click the next. Friends, I click next, but my singtel dash balance no more, because I have only 2 cents. But almost all finished ready. When you click to next, then one more option have confirm. When you confirm ready, then within 5 and 10 minutes your home country mobile number get message how much you send top up. You receive also singtel dash message, your top up successfully ready. This one very simple and easy. If you have any question, you just can send to comment box. I reply to your comment. So if you like my video, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.